Hello everyone. Today at Secret Super Chef we have Masoor ki dal, a simple staple dal recipe that is literally made in every household. I make this dal little differently, so do check the entire video for the recipe. Let's begin. For this recipe we'll require the whole Masoor dal, that is the black dal. Here I've taken 4 handfuls of the dal. I've soaked it for 2 hours and this is exactly how we want it. Soaking your pulses is very essential, so do not miss this step. Now let's take a pressure cooker and transfer our dal. Discard the soaked dal water. To this dal, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Do not add a lot of water. We do not want a runny dal. To this, let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 2 to 3 slit green chilies, 1 whole chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion. Let all of this come to a boil. Let's close the lid of the pressure cooker, apply the whistle and pressure cook this for at least 4 whistles. After almost 4 whistles, our dal is cooked. Using a hand whisk or a dal ghotni, whisk the dal completely. We do not want to mash the dal, just whisk so that the tomatoes and the onions get mixed up nicely. You can even mash the dal with the help of your spatula. Adjust the salt as per your taste. Now let's prepare the dal tadka. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm using pure ghee here. I will also add 1 tablespoon of butter here. Once our ghee is melted, let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, few whole spices, add a few curry leaves. Now let's add 1 medium size sliced onion. Fry this onion on medium flame and fry it till it turns golden brown in color. While our onions are still frying, add 2 slit green chilies. Let's add garlic. Here I've taken 5 to 6 pods of garlic and chopped them. Make sure you're sauteing everything on medium flame. Make sure to control the flame and keep stirring in between because we do not want our spices to burn. My tempering is almost ready. Now let's add some dry spices. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is the red Kashmiri chili powder. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Let's add some salt. Adjust the salt as per your taste. Now nicely saute this masala till nice aroma appears. To this tempering, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dried kasuri methi. Give a nice quick stir and fry the masalas nicely. By now you will have nice aromas filled up in your kitchen. The masala is all fried. To this, I'm going to add 1 chopped tomato. Cook the tomato till it releases the oil. If you feel that your tomato is burning, just add a tablespoon or 2 of the prepared dal. Do not add regular water. We're going to cook this for almost 5 to 7 minutes till everything becomes mushy and the tomatoes are also cooked. The tempering is all ready. All we have to do is now transfer this to our dal. Let's pour our tempering over our dal. Add the entire tempering into the dal. You can add little dal back in the pan, clean everything and again add the dal into the cooker. Stir everything together and let this get cooked for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Simmer this on low flame. Do not add any water to this dal while it's cooking. This dal tastes better when it's thick. Fresh coriander leaf really enhances the flavor of the dal. Once our dal is simmered for 15-20 minutes, close the lid and let it stay covered for almost half an hour to 45 minutes before serving. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel and like and comment on my videos. Thank you.